In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cloudflare Warp CF and Happy Eyeballs Met failure error. If you've encountered this error message, it can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. I'll guide you through a straightforward solution. If you're seeing this error, it often indicates issues with the network you're using, and a good first step is to try switching networks. This error can commonly crop up in places where the internet connection might be heavily managed or restricted, such as in offices, schools, or hotels. In these environments, the network settings might be causing a conflict with Cloudflare Warp, leading to the error. To start, consider using a different network altogether. If you're currently connected to an office Wi-Fi, a school Wi-Fi, or a hotel Wi-Fi, see if you could switch to a mobile hotspot. This is an excellent alternative because mobile networks generally don't have the same configuration issues that might be present in more controlled environments. If a mobile hotspot is available, it's worth giving it a try to see if it resolves the error you're encountering. Another viable option is to connect to a home broadband network. If you're able to do so, switching to your home internet might also bypass the restrictions or settings that are causing the error in a corporate or public environment. Alternatively, if you're in a setting where there might be multiple networks available, try connecting to another network, whether it's a different Wi-Fi or a private network that you haven't used before. Now let's delve into the necessary settings adjustments that you can make. Once you've tried switching networks, you'll want to make sure that there aren't any proxy settings interfering with your connection. To do this, open your device's settings and navigate to the Network and Internet section. From there, go to Proxy. In the proxy settings, you'll see options for setting up a proxy server and automatic proxy setup. Ensure that Use a Proxy Server is turned off. This setting, if enabled, could reroute your internet traffic through a proxy, which might be interfering with your connection to Cloudflare Warp. Additionally, turn off the automatic proxy setup if it's not specifically required by your network. Sometimes this setting might be enabled by default and could cause unnecessary complications or contribute to the error you're experiencing. Once you've completed these steps, test Cloudflare Warp again to see if the error persists. By switching networks and ensuring your proxy settings aren't problematic, you're taking practical steps to resolve the CF/Happy Eyeballs MTM failure error. With these adjustments, Cloudflare Warp should now function more smoothly. If you continue to face issues, double-check these steps and consider reaching out to Cloudflare support for more specific guidance. I hope you found this video helpful. If it resolved your issue, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tech tips and solutions.